as an electrical or test engineer, we know you've all come across those situations where you want to have a third hand. You want one hand to hold your board, another hand to hold the probe, but then you still need a third hand to go press the run stop or the single acquisition button on the scope. Unfortunately, a lot of the scopes on the market aren't equipped with that sort of feature. So I'll show you in the next minute and a half a quick and easy way that you can use a foot switch or a foot pedal to control your oscilloscope start and stop button. I have a generic off-the-shelf USB foot switch pedal connected to my laptop. Python is running on the laptop, and that's where this comes in. Using the quick and dirty way, I just kind of made the foot switch, send a string run stop oscilloscope followed by a carriage return. So that's what it's looking for right here. And then there's a logic to determine whether to run or stop or do a single sequence acquisition. So we'll run it. Put that off to the side. And I'm using a DPO70000SX. I also tried this out on the MSO6 series, and it worked just fine. So here's just waiting for a pedal switch. I pressed it, and we got a new acquisition. Pressed it again, got a new acquisition. Now I'll change it to run mode and press the pedal again, and it stops. Press the pedal again, and it starts. Press to stop, press to start. So, yeah, there you have it.